Greeting my dear students, I hope you all are keeping well and whatever have been taught in your previous classes, you must have understood it and practicing it as well. Now let's move towards our today's topic. Your today's topic is autocorrect. It is very important to check spellings in our type document. Spell check is one of the most popular features of MS Word. MS Word can correct words as you type automatically using a useful feature autocorrect. Autocorrect is designed to correct common typing or spelling error automatically, change to initial capitals, capitalize the first letter of a day, capitalize the first letter of a sentence. Adding entries. To add the entries to the autocorrect list, follow the steps given below. On the tool menu, click autocorrect option. The autocorrect dialog box opens. In the replace box, type a word phrase that you often mistype, for example, address. In the with box, type the correct spelling of the word, for example, address. Then click on add. The misspelled word and the correctly spelled word are added to the list. And finally click on the OK button. Next time when you misspell the word, address it will automatically correct it. Changing entries. To change autocorrect entries, follow the steps given below. Number 1, on the tool menu, click on autocorrect options. The autocorrect dialog box opens. Number 2, choose the entry in the list that you want to edit. Number 3, type the new entry in the with box. Number 4, click on replace to change the entry in the list. Number 5, click on delete to remove the entry from the list. And then finally, click on OK button. When the replace button is clicked, the dialog box appears. And click yes to OK the autocorrect entry. Students, your today's next topic is auto text. Auto text is a way to insert or type the same thing over and over, but you have to press fewer keys to do so. You can, for example, create a library for paragraphs for letters or keep a selection of headers and footers. And auto text entry can store anything such as text or pictures. An auto text entry can be inserted by typing its name and pressing the F3 key. Auto text entry. To create an auto text entry, follow the steps given below. Number 1, select the text you want to store as auto text, for example, computer today. Number 2, select insert menu, click on auto text and select new. Number 3, in the create auto text dialog box, type a name for the entry. And finally, click on OK button. Now when you type your auto text entry name in your document and press F3 key, the complete text computer today appear. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this class and you must have understood till here. Now this slide show your home task key. Your question number 8 is what is autocorrect and auto text?